Understanding demur, polite objection in English. Imagine you're at a formal dinner party and your host insists you try a peculiar-looking dish. You politely decline, expressing your reluctance without causing offense. This act of refusing or objecting in a polite or restrained way is precisely what we mean by the word demur. Word type. Demur can function as both a verb and a noun. As a verb, it's pronounced die. As a noun, the stress shifts to the first syllable, de-mur, meaning, as a verb, to demur means to raise doubts or objections or to show reluctance. As a noun, a demur is an objection or a show of reluctance. Word history. The word demur has its roots in Old French demur, meaning to linger or stay, which itself comes from the Latin demurare, meaning to delay or pause. Over time, the meaning evolved from the idea of hesitating to the current sense of politely objecting or showing reluctance. Antonyms. Some antonyms of demur include agree, accept, approve, and acquiesce. Synonyms. Synonyms for demur include object, protest, dissent, and balk. Examples used in sentences. As a verb, the committee member demurred when asked to take on additional responsibilities, citing her already heavy workload. As a noun, his demur to the proposal was so tactfully expressed that it took the board a moment to realize he was actually opposing the idea. When faced with an unreasonable request from her boss, Sarah decided to demur rather than outright refuse, maintaining a professional atmosphere. The politician's habit of demurring on controversial issues often left voters unsure of his true stance. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing demur with demure. While they sound similar, demure means shy, modest, or reserved. For example, her demure behavior at the party was misinterpreted as aloofness is correct, but her demure behavior is incorrect. Another error is using demur when a stronger word like refuse or reject is more appropriate. Demur implies a milder, more polite form of objection or reluctance. Lastly, some people incorrectly use demur with the preposition to. The correct usage is to demur at something, not to demur to something. Mastering the use of demur can significantly enhance your vocabulary and expression in English. It allows you to convey subtle shades of meaning, particularly in formal or diplomatic contexts where outright refusal might be inappropriate. Remember, demur is about expressing reluctance or mild objection in a polite, restrained manner. By incorporating this word into your active vocabulary, you'll be better equipped to navigate delicate social and professional situations, demonstrating the nuanced language proficiency expected at the highest levels of English fluency.